gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.
We're back with Gimme Chocolate. Both of you are going to be a part of the chocolate face-off.
Wow.
Yes.
You need to win it.
I shall not let you down.
Pressure, a lot of pressure.
You're going to make the Almond Florentine.
Oh.
Wow.
To make almond Florentine, we need
chopped orange peel, chopped pistachios, almond flakes, castor sugar, fresh cream, honey.
Let's start with the castor sugar, fresh cream, honey. Let's heat together. Let it become a little more caramelly. Perfect. Add in the dry ingredients. Mix it well so all the nuts are caramelized. I think we're ready. I've kept a silicone cup mold so अच्छे discs बन जाएंगे. Now this is ready. I've heated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius and 12 to 15 minutes to bake. Let's get them. It will take about 10 minutes to cool down. Let's put a few tutti fruitis. Perfect. Your time starts right now.
Okay.
Wow, this is so exciting.
आपकी आंख से ज़्यादा वाह मैंने तो जलेबी बना दिए थे
वाह यार काफी आर्टिस्टिक हो रहे हैं आप
क्या करूं यार मैंने
खून में है Oh, I think I've got the perfect color.
I've also got the perfect
No, see?
You got the perfect color because of your makeup dala.
But look at this.
Why don't you start mixing your dry ingredients?
Okay.
Put the pistachio in the almond, the blueberry in the almond. Keep it in ready take-off position.
Okay. My mom will be extremely happy watching this.
Aparshakti,
Yeah, tell me.
your caramel is almost there.
Okay.
This is a good time that you can mix the dry ingredients.
So honestly, I'll tell you, I have entered the kitchen back in the day.
So now he is sharing this.
No, because I thought पहले देख लूं ठीक बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा. पता लगा पहले बोल दूं भाई साहब मैं बहुत किचन में काम किया है पता है. मैं ही भाई बन के जाती थी अपनी गली में तो है ना वैसा नहीं था.
It's looking perfect, Aparshakti. But I have to share with you, Shweta has caught up very fast.
Wow.
There's only 15 minutes left, Shweta and Aparshakti.
Okay.
Come on,
Okay.
we're going to move to the oven now.
All right.
Perfect.
All right.
सिर्फ वो निकालना
It's
है?
jiggly. No, it's jiggly.
What a hero! What a hero! क्या बात है?
इसलिए हमरा
This looks amazing. Okay, this definitely looks better.
But the thing is, it should not look better, it should taste better.
Of course, बिल्कुल हम वो
I'm
भी
sure वो भी
taste
तुम्हारा
नहीं
ही करेगा.
करेंगे.
इसको हल्का सा ऐसे करो और वो नीचे से ऐसे करते हुए जाओ.
Googly.
Yeah. वो ये ना मेरे मामा जी की तरह हैं, वो ऐसे डांस करते हैं. Yeah, it's like that. Sorry मामा जी, मामी जी की ऐसे बोले मामा जी बोल दिया मैं तो अब जा ही नहीं पाऊंगा दिल्ली. Anyway.
Time
Okay
for
then.
plating. Shweta,
It's
you
one.
have started tasting.
It's so good.
Full बेइज्जती. Full
Guys,
बेइज्जती.
मेरा तो काफी जिद्दी है वो बाहर आना ही नहीं चाहता है.
Scorpion है क्या?
अच्छा आप स्कॉर्पियन है?
Aparshakti,
Yeah.
you
Tell me.
have made a magnificent
Halwa.
golden brown almond Florentine
Halwa. One hell of a
That is
dish.
very sweet of you. Wow.
Shweta, I see you have lifted 3 besan ka laddu type.
Wow.
Almost
Yes, I'm
perfect.
waiting for plating.
Countdown begins right
ये chocolate
now.
निकल नहीं रही. Okay.
10, 9,
Oh no.
8,
But this is not
7,
coming out.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off the table. Plating is looking pretty creative. I have to taste it before I can announce the winners. काफी हलवा जैसे लग रहा है मुझे।
हलवा,
मुझे चंडीगढ़ की याद आ रही है।
लेकिन एक बात देखना पड़ेगा, देखो ये Z है, ये E है, ये B है, ये A है और ये हार्ट। कैसा लग रहा है?
She is not smiling. Let me just tell you that.
The texture is crunchy. I'm enjoying it because you've actually made it a perfect golden brown. The structure is exactly like you.
Oh,
All over the place and crazy.
In a good way, ना?
In a good
हाँ,
way.
फिर ठीक है।
In a good
always
way.
in a good way.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Awesome, awesome हो गया ये तो। ठीक है, so now you need to taste that and tell me कि कौन सा taste better करता है?
well,
कौन
I
सा
think हम
taste
सबको
better करता
पता
है? Come on, Zeba, you can do this कि कौन सा taste better करता है?
I don't see any smiley here, Shweta.
ये रहा. So that's a smiley.
Actually, that's a smiley.
Yeah, it's looking that
Oh,
side.
very innovative.
And those are the yards.
Complete improviser. I can
Thank
see that.
you.
I think I will have to, just like a batata vada.
Yes.
तोड़ना पड़ेगा मुझे.
Can you hear that? Aha.
It's crunchier and crispier and
Yes.
Your plating is as creative. Both of you have won equally in plating.
Okay.
किसने Zeba लिखा, किसने smiley emoji बनाया. But I have to choose one winner. And the winner is Shweta.
Thank you so much.
Shweta, we love you.
Yes, yes.
You share the hamper, है ना?
खाइए ना.
Wow.
जैसे आपने कहा ना, खुद के मुझे अपनी तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए, but इतनी
But
अच्छी चीज
improvise
बनाई
कर
हो.
सकती
But
है.
बहुत अच्छा।
Improvisation.
But
queen.
बहुत अच्छा बनाया।
Thank you.
Which I
Thank
like.
you.
Both of you have extreme amount of creativity.
Thank you.
And because of that, I am going to give both of you a hamper.
I love you. You're not very happy about it. I don't like her at all. जाओ चले जाओ यहाँ से.
Yay.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh my God. Thank you.
पकड़ लोगी ना इसको?
Yes.
Aparshakti. Before both of you leave, I need a wonderful memory. You're going to leave a handprint on my wall.
Wow.
Wow, that's nice.
जिससे मैंने high five दिया था?
Let's do
Let's do
it.
it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh
On our
my
wall.
God, this is amazing.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, guys.
That's the Mount of
It was pleasure meeting you. It was pleasure meeting you.
Wow, yeah.
Bye, guys.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.